So I was just out walking Sugar, my goose, and I came across this beautiful box turtle here right in the front yard. Look at that beauty. So pretty. Guess he's okay. You alright though? Yeah. Look at there. It's okay, sweetie. I won't hurt you. See how quickly he'll come back out. It's a good sized box turtle. Quite a treat. We don't see these very often. At least not up here. You know, we see them crossing the road and such, but I haven't seen a box turtle up here in a few years, so this is quite a treat. Waiting to see how long it takes him to come out. It's got a lot of pretty coloration, that's for sure. Might be a super shell one. What a beauty, huh? I'm hoping it won't take forever to come back out of the shell. Come here, sweetheart. It's okay. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Another reason I love living out here in the sticks, there's always some kind of wildlife in the yard. If it's not rabbits or snakes or squirrels or birds, turtles, and we have lizards running around here too. I'm just gonna hang out here a minute and hope. See if this one will make up and come out so we can see how beautiful he is. I never would have seen this booger if I hadn't been out walking my goose. Yeah, usually when you pick them up, they won't come out for a while. Well, some of them will, but box turtles can sit here for quite a while before coming back out. Thinks he's in danger, I guess. I was trying to see if there were any bunnies in the yard I could show y'all while we're waiting on him to come back out. Right. Yeah, we haven't had one up in the yard in a while that I've seen. I'm sure we have. It's the first one I've come across in a while. We normally see them, you know, crossing the road and such after rain. But yeah, this is an absolute beauty. I'm gonna see if I can wait and see if he'll come out. We call them box turtles. I don't know what the technical name is, but that's what we call them here. I don't know much about turtles, but I know we have these and snappers all over the place around here, so. This may be a long wait. Might want to pull up some popcorn and have a few bites while we're waiting on the turtle to come back out. I'm half tempted to pull out my tripod and just wait for him to come out. Doesn't even look, hasn't even opened his shell yet. Not even close. I may do that though. Let me go get my tripod and I can leave the phone running and we can watch him for a little bit from right about here. So hold on 1 second. Okay, so this is actually on extreme fast forward. This was recording for over an hour and nothing happened. The turtle didn't move, which is to be expected. Sometimes they're wily and they'll come right out, and sometimes they'll stay in their shell for hours after they've been disturbed, which I did, but I couldn't help myself. But anyhow, I hope you did enjoy this video. Sugar says hey. Sugar? Sugar? Yeah. Sugar says hey to everybody. Anyhow, make sure and wash your hands after you touch any wildlife. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves. Much love. Bye-bye.